Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how I use Loom. Now Loom is a really fantastic tool because it allows me to screencast, which means record my screen. This is great for demonstration purposes. It's also great for like during lockdown or any points where you have to make a video to share with your students. So simply what you'll have to do is go into Loom, type Loom into your web browser. You should come up with this sort of a link at the top. It should be the first item actually on the search bar. What you'll have to do is, in the first instance, because I've already downloaded the software, it won't ask me to do this again. So you just have to simply download the software. This may be something you'd have to discuss with your tech team. I've done it at home, so I make most of my videos at home. It's easier for me. It's also a lot quieter. Usually difficult when you're at work to make the videos. So this is the environment. So this is what you'll have to do. Once you're in Loom, it simply gives you the option to record a video. But as I'm already recording a video, I'm going to take you to my PowerPoint presentation where I'm just going to show you the steps. So simply you just click on record. Once you click on record, then you actually have the option, a number of options depending on how you want to make your recording. So one of the options is actually to set it to full desktop. So that will record your desktop, and you can have a webcam where you're showing your image. But I know that you were reluctant to show your image and the background, so that's fine. The other option is just the screen only. And then in this instance, I've added in one of my emojis, which comes up on my recordings. So that's the emoji that I'm going to share with my students. And then you can also have your screen and a camera. So it's entirely up to you. So I think this is definitely going to be the option that will best suit your needs. Now, as you can see over here, one of the things that the program's actually improved since I last used it. So that's a really good feature of this tool as well. It's constantly being updated, and it comes with really, really good tools every time they update it. So now they've actually moved their panel down here, which is really, really useful for someone like me, because it was really annoying having it at the side. So I'm just going to take you back to the environment. So once you're in there and you're recording, now you want to actually put your image here. Now that is really simple. Once you've set up your account, and again, this is a free to use software, particularly as they've given it free for teachers for time being, I guess. I'm not sure. I don't know. Once these things become popular, then sometimes you have to start paying. So you just go into your account settings like so, and simply just add one of your images or your emoji, which I've done over here. It could be your own image, so that way the students recognize you, or like I've done here, just put an emoji in. Once you've done that, then you're just ready to record, which is just simple. It's just making sure that your microphone's on, which is really, really important. So when you go in here, it will give you the option to actually turn on your microphone. So always make sure that that is on. Otherwise, I have done this several times, recorded a video and then realized, oh, my microphone wasn't turned on, which just can be quite annoying. So that's simply how it works. And as you can see, you actually have like folders. So I've got a number of folders in here. So I'll put some videos in here. Some of my videos go in here. And that is another useful tool, because you can actually save all your videos in the Loom environment, and you don't actually have to worry about storage. The other good thing about the videos is that you can actually download them. So in this particular instance, this is the Edpuzzle video that I made for yourselves. So simply I can either share the link. That is again useful, but not something maybe you'd want to do with the students, because we don't really want to confuse them. They also have some editing tools down here which are really useful. So you can actually trim the videos. You can trim it on the Loom, within the Loom environment, if that's what you'd like to do. You can share it with other colleagues within your team or your school. And the other thing you can actually do is just download the video But when you are downloading the video, you must make sure that you don't actually move from this environment until the circle is completed. So once it's ready, then you can actually share this in the Google Classroom. Now with your emojis, one of the good things about this, you can actually move it around to wherever you want. You can change the size of the image based on however you'd like to position it, and you can actually move this around. So I think it's really a very good tool. And once you finish recording, you can just simply cancel the recording. You can pause if you actually want to do something, or you can just finish the recording. So I'm just going to pause this. So I'm just going to resume the video again. You can actually hide the menu if you don't want to show this as well, as you can see. So if you just click on there, then the menu will just be hidden. And that's something that's also useful. I have just uploaded the video into my Google Classroom. So once you've done that, you're ready to actually add this on to your particular tool or your worksheet or your Google slide that you want for your students. I hope this has been useful, and I hope you enjoy using Loom.